teenagers, teachers, and friends. My name is Frederick Kwan. Today I want to tell you a story about the bear and the bee. Let's start. Everybody knows that bears love honey. One day, Mr. Bear looks in his cupboard and he can't find any honey. Oh no, no honey, he says. So he goes into the forest to find some. He sees beehive in a tree. He smells a honey. Honey. He sticks his paw into the beehive and a bee flies out. Hey bear, go away, says the bee. This is not your honey. Mr. Bear is annoyed. I am bigger than you. Then I'm stronger than you too. I can do what I want now. Buzz off! He sticks his paw into the beehive again and zink! Owie! The bee sting him on his right nose. My nose! My nose! Oh, I'm so angry! Growls Mr. Bear. He finds a big stick. He tries to hit the bee. He swings, swings and swings, but the bee is too fast. First, Mr. Bear gets angrier and angrier. I will squash you! Come here! The bee flies back into the beehive. Ah ha 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 ha! Now you're trapped! Yes, Mr. Bear. He swings his stick at the beehive. Smash! 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 He smashed it to pieces. Then he hears a strange sound. It gets louder and louder. A thousand of bees flies out of the smashed beehive, then flies around Mr. Bear's head. Zink, zink, they sting him on his ear. Zink, zink, they sting him on his elbow. They chase Mr. Bear through the forest. They sting him on his hand, his elbow, his legs, his arms, and especially on his nose. Mr. Bear runs all the way home and slams the door shut. Bam! Then he hears a voice behind him. It's Mrs. Bear. You did it again, didn't you? She says. You lost your tempers. Yes. He says as he cries and counts his bee sting medicine. Here is bee sting medicine. Also, we have honey in the cupboard. It's behind the flower. The moral of this story: a hot temper always get you into trouble. Thank you.